Welcome back. The 44th edition of International Film Festival of India would be inaugurated by President Pranab Mukherjee on November 20th in the state. This was announced by the Additional Director General of PIB, M.K. Ravindran, at Hyderabad.
Press Information Bureau Additional Director General K.M. Ravindran announced that President Pranab Mukherjee will inaugurate IFFI on November 20th in the state. Ravindran informed this to media at Hyderabad. He also said Academy Award-winning actress Suzanne Sarandon, Iranian director, producer and screenwriter Majid Majidi, Polish filmmaker Agnieszka Holland are expected to participate in the International Film Festival. A movie about former South African President Nelson Mandela, Mandela Long Walk to Freedom, directed by Justin and written by William, will be showcased on the occasion. However, no authority in Goa, neither the ESG Vice Chairperson Vishnu Suryabag nor the Director of IFFI Shankar Mohan could confirm the news. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Government has ordered transfer and posting of the junior scale officers of Goa Civil Services on Wednesday. 10 officers have been transferred. Out of 10, 6 are transferred on promotion.
Here is a list of 10 officers who are being transferred. Out of the 10, 6 are transferred on promotion. Manuel Barreto, BDO, transferred as Assistant Director to Directorate Mines and Geology Department. Maria D'Souza, Section Officer, transferred as Deputy Director, Apnagar. Rahmatullah Aga, Section Officer, transferred as Under Secretary Personnel 2. Divan Rane, Superintendent of Excise, transferred as Under Secretary in Office of Health Minister. Tulsidas Shirodkar, Superintendent of Excise, transferred as Deputy Director, Women and Child. Satyavan Bivashet, Superintendent of Excise, transferred as Assistant Commissioner of Excise 1. Siddhi Halankar, Under Secretary Personnel 2, transferred as Deputy Director to JMC. Vinayak Woldwekar, Under Secretary in Office of Minister for Health, transferred as SLAO PWD. Shashank Thakur, Administrator of Comunidad North, transferred to Under Secretary in Office of Minister for Tourism. Sarita Marthe, Assistant Commissioner of Excise 1, transferred as Assistant Commissioner of Commercial Tax. Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
An Ayurvedic clinic and pharmacy caught fire at Kolva on Wednesday. Short circuit is suspected to be the reason. The owner of the clinic could not state exact figure of loss but claimed that the stocks of medicines and other property in the clinic is damaged. Fire officials controlled the fire. However, locals claim fire tender reached late at the site.
Pharmacy to Ayurvedic pharmacy
शॉर्ट सर्किट हुआ, स्पार्क आया, उसमें कर्टन से आग पकड़ा और बाहर फायर स्प्रेड हुआ. आयुर्वेदिक क्लिनिक है मेरा, आयुर्वेदिक क्लिनिक एंड आयुर्वेदिक शॉप. हम स्टाफ नीचे थे, सब बाहर आ गए. किसी को इंजरी नहीं हुआ, किसी को हर्ट नहीं हुआ. नहीं चल रहा था. ये पार्लर नहीं है, ये मेरा बोल नहीं सकता. अभी कैसे मैं देख सकता हूँ, अभी तक देखना पड़ेगा अंदर. क्या क्या नहीं, कुछ मेडिसिन डिस्ट्रॉय हुए, अभी पानी में कुछ डिस्ट्रॉय हुए और ज़्यादा नुकसान नहीं हुआ.
इधर से कुछ आवाज़ आया शोर से, मीन्स कुछ फट गया लगा तो हमने देखा तो वहाँ से आग आया था कोई ये से आयुर्वेदिक हिमालयन से. तो हमने वहाँ से देखा पूरा फायर आग था. तो हम लोग वहाँ से पास हमारा शॉप वो है संस्कार आग. अब उसमें तो हम खाली करना चाहते थे तो हम वहाँ पे तो पूरा सिलेंडर फ्लाई से इससे बाहर निकल गया, ब्लास्ट हो गया.
कितना बजे हो गया?
अराउंड एक घंटा, आधा घंटा, 1 घंटा हो गया. फायर सर्विस भी लेट था.
The Airport Advisory Committee held a meeting to resolve problems anticipated ahead of shifting the existing airline infrastructure to the newly built terminal of Daboli. South Goa MP Francisco Sardina and Daboli MLA Marvin Cudino and others were present for the meeting.
So we were discussing how all these, the existing infrastructure that is there, maybe of airlines, of the airport authority, will be shifted to the new premises.
You just now spoke about the taxi problem. It is the endeavor of the government to unite all the taxi people, whether black and yellow, whether tourist taxi, whether others, and have one single counter. For that, the Honorable Chief Minister will be calling a meeting very shortly, as he has stated last time. And now it is even more necessary to call the meeting as soon as possible, because the so-called inauguration has been preponed. So that meeting will have to be called to streamline this. Obviously, you need more manpower, whether in terms of traffic police, whether it is in terms of CISF, whether normal security. All that also will come in due time.
You might not get another chance to clear HSSC examinations in October henceforth. Result for the year 2013 has recorded very low passing percentage of 30%. Secretary of Goa Board informed that a proposal will be placed before the examination committee to decide whether October examinations should be continued or stopped.
This year, Goa Board results have dropped to a low of 30%. The board is now planning to discontinue October examination of SSC and HSSC. Goa Board Secretary Bhagirath Shetye informed that the proposal will be placed before the examination committee.
ऑक्टोबराक भुरगे न्ही हायर सेकंडरीचे भुरगे ऑक्टोबराक कमी बसतात आनी हायर सेकंडरीक तशें आमी जुनातय एक प्रोविजन आसा जे भुरगे एक विशय किंवा दोन विशयांत फेल जातात तांच्या खातीर जून ही एग्जाम दवरली वता आनी ऑक्टोबरात हांगा कितें उरता ते प्लस जे कोण होल सब्जेक्ट बी घेवन आशिल्ले किंवा मोर दॅन 2 सब्जेक्ट घेणार आसा ते थंय बसतात पण फाटले एक जर ट्रेंड जर पळयली न्ही जाल्यार ऑक्टोबराचो हायर सेकंडरीचो रिजल्ट हो खूब कमी आसा ह्या आत्ताचे हे ऑक्टोबर 2013 हो रिजल्ट 30% आसा आनी असो एक हे सगळे आमी एनालायज करतले आनी जी आमची एग्जामिनेशन कमिटी आसा न्ही ताच्या मुखार आमी ते दवरतले आनी मागीर लेट देम डिसायड की ऑक्टोबराची एग्जाम तांच्यांनी काडची काय आसा तशीच कंटिन्यू करची अशें.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.